ginger garlic chicken pilaf, or black pepper ginger garlic rice bowl, or black pepper ginger garlic rice, or kali mirch, Adrak Lasoon chicken biryani. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the biryani recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pilaf recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the ginger recipes and one of the most different of the garlic recipes. Today we are going to make black pepper ginger garlic chicken rice bowl. We have taken around 300 to 400 grams of chicken pieces, cleaned thoroughly in turmeric water. We have taken around 50 grams of ginger and 50 grams of garlic and crushed them together. 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 2 onions cut into pieces, and 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of clarified butter or ghee. Let the butter melt. Put in the onion piece. Chopped cabbage. Keep on sorting. Put in salt to taste, salt, salt and mix. Now put in the ginger garlic that we crushed together. Salt thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly sauce and mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Thoroughly sauce the tomato pieces with the rest of the mixture. Quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Then a quarter spoon of coriander powder. Mix. Curry leaves. Mix thoroughly. One last spoon of black pepper powder. Thoroughly mix. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Now put in the chicken pieces. thoroughly mixing the chicken pieces with the rest of the mixture. Keep on mixing for 4 to 5 minutes until chicken pieces are nicely integrated with the rest of the mixture. Now, let this mixture cook for 25 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now, pour in around 1 1/4 cup of water. Mix and let the mixture boil. And let the mixture boil. Put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix thoroughly and let this mixture cook for 8 to 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the black pepper, ginger garlic chicken rice bowl is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper, ginger garlic chicken rice bowl, or black pepper, ginger garlic chicken rice, or black pepper, ginger garlic chicken pilaf. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the ginger recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic recipes and one of the most different of the chicken recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pilaf recipes and one of the most unique of the biryani recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the rice bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.